I'm in the ever popular village of Creech St Michael and have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this 3-bedroom semi-detached home, benefiting from a recently refitted kitchen and favourable views onto the Taunton and Bridgwater Canal. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this fantastic home, or maybe a valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.